All right, everyone, a quick new update on DEGEN here. I tightened everything up. I fixed the chart. I want things to be as accurate as possible for you guys. You guys know this. If I have to redo a whole chart, I will. So looking at DEGEN here, we've been watching it on the non-log scale chart, as you can see here. And if you just look at it with your eyes, you can see clearly the bottom is being put in here. Now, from the last update, we were looking at the potential bottom dropping out of this thing if it fell below our 382 support, which we had a couple of lines on the chart. But of course, I mentioned that if it broke that, then you were coming down potentially back to the low here, which it didn't quite hit, which is a good sign. It did hit that final 786 support. We're going to turn this thing back onto log scale, and this is where we're going to focus from now on, the log scale 3-day chart. But we're looking on the daily just to get that smaller fib up here. And you can see that off of this wick and this potential bottom formation, it hit perfectly the 786 final support level at 2.7. It's back above the 618 at 3.1. So as long as you're above 3.1, you are at 3.4 at the moment, up almost 14% on the week here. The next price to beat is 3.5 here. And as long as you're moving here and potentially having that bottom put in, look for about a 3% move, and then ultimately the 382 here at 15% move. And then if we can get the price back over this 3.9 or 4.0 price level, then that's pretty much going to send the price back up to the macro 236. And that's the price you really want to focus on, is the 236 here at 0049. Once we get the price of DEGEN back over this level, that will confirm that this was the bottom, and then we can focus on being bullish over the 382 and then eventually these higher price targets here. So hopefully that helps a little bit on DEGEN here. In my opinion, I think the bottom has been put in and we should start looking at these higher prices. But of course, if you want that confirmation, we have to get over that 4.9 level. And then you can see 136% move from today to get over 0080. That's where we're going to be bullish over that 382. Now, with all that being said, get into some prices and how high this thing can potentially go. For this cycle, you can see that if it only does a 7.8 or a 618 retracement rather, that's going to give you about a 5.5x up to about 1.7, a penny and a half here. If we only do a 786 retracement, that's where you're getting about a 9.5x on your investment up to the 3 penny range. So we have 1.5, 3 pennies. These are all good targets to take profit. And then our target here, or at least my new target here, is going to be the new high at the 1272, 16 pennies on DEGEN here. And then if we get past that 3 penny mark, then I don't see why this thing would not end up coming up here and potentially going higher than this. You can see this is a $2.7 billion market cap as of the current circulating supply, of course, up to 16 to that 1272 new high, and almost a 48x on your investment. And if it goes higher, you know, all I can say is congratulations to all you DEGENs that bought DEGEN down here at all these low prices. So good luck. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.